I remember how it was when I was a kid.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
So you guys have seen Dan drop yet another hair care men's routine. But now let's see how we maintain Kellan's beautiful hair, his curls, everything from detangling to me attempting to style it. This kid does not like his hair combed, but I'm just going to show you quickly how I detangle his hair, how I wash his hair. I wash and do like a big detangle in the bathroom, and then I will style it. But tonight I'm attempting to kind of do a bit of detangling outside prior to washing it and seeing if, you know, I can kind of lessen the tears a little before we get into the actual like detangling in the shower. So I want it to be very comfortable, so I've already kind of set up in the bedroom already, and then I'm gonna bring him in there and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna sit down and kind of detangle with my hands, and then when I get him into the tub I will like detangle with the comb, not dry with products and everything in there. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm gonna first show you the products that we use on his hair. Pretty much everything is Shea Moisture. This is not a sponsorship or anything like that, but it works really well with his hair. So before I get into the shower, like I said, I'm trying this technique. I'm just going to use basic water. I've seen some people using rose water. I might try to add that into everyone's hair routine soon enough. And I use the Shea Moisture Kids Collection Coconut Hibiscus Detangler. I really love it. It adds a little bit of slip. So I'm gonna just finger detangle with water and that product, then get him into the shower, bathe him and all that stuff, and then actually do the detangling with the comb. But I wash with the Shea Moisture Kids 2-in-1 Curl and Shine shampoo and conditioner. I love this one, and I've used this on my hair actually. This is not Shea Moisture, but this is a product I've used when I first went natural. It's just really expensive, to be honest. Kinky Curly, not today. Love, 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 love the slip on this. So I wash the hair and then I leave a little bit of it in there because it's a detangler and a leave-in. So like I said, I wash with this shampoo, but then when I'm trying to just like do the combing task, I'm trying to get in deep with the combing, I will definitely use the, not today, this is Kinky Curly. I wish you sold a huge container and was more affordable, but you're not, so I got to be sparing with that. Now to actually style it, I'm going to use again Shea Moisture Kids Curly Buttercream, the Coconut Kids, and then if I want a style that's going to last a couple of days, I use the jelly, the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Styling Jelly with shea butter in it. It adds a great shine to the hair, but it kind of shrinks his hair, and I like it to be a little longer, but like I said, the hold is kind of what we're going for. So it's kind of like a balance. I try to use a little bit and not too much because he can still get the length that I like. He's not really concerned. He's just like, leave my head alone. But again, I'm trying to kind of break up the process right now. Hopefully that kind of helps if I detangle it now before I get into the bath, but you never know with this kid. So watch for more. his hair all detangled, I went ahead and just pulled a section out, separated a section out, and then just finger combed through to get out any tangles. Remember, I continue to use this one just to get a little extra slip. Let's do a length check. His front is his longest part, somewhere there. Okay, and then his sides. Armpit length. Or like little nipple length. So like here, his back. I already added the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner to his damp hair. I'm gonna section that off now into like maybe like 4 or 5 parts, so that when I get to the bath and he's bathed, I can just wash out each and every section, detangle now with the kinky curly, leave that in, a little bit of it in. I'm gonna wash out a bit of it, leave a little bit of it in, and then I'm gonna come and do my styling. So these are the section parts. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. So let's wash it out. See you guys for styling. Like, I'm really gonna wash it out now. Like really, I'm gonna wash it out. I'll see you in a few. I wanted to show you the shed hair. This one was from the dry detangling, and this one was in the shower. So not much at all. Try my best to be as gentle as possible. It's not always the easiest, and he moves around a lot, but I try my best. I remember how it was when I was a kid, so I try to give him the iPad and let him watch whatever he wants to watch. Majority of the time he's still doing like alphabet stuff, but it's just where I'm not pressuring him, and then I can focus on detangling and not pulling at his hair, because if you care for the hair and are not like pulling out every strand or rushing the process, then you'll have less hair shedding. So let's start styling. So Kellan's out of the shower. He is detangled. Remember, I went back after I washed it out and put kinky curly in and then retwisted it. We still have 6 sections that I'm going to be working on. I am not the greatest at styling his hair, but I'm just going to section off little by little. You'll be watching me while I do the process. And then after this, I'll put on a sleep cap that he usually pulls off halfway through the night, but at least he is styled and ready for tomorrow. And that style should last at least 4 to 5 days. The first 2 days, if he actually wears the cap, it continues to look really well. Again, the product tonight I'm using is the Shea Moisture Kids, the curling buttercream, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the styling gel to let it hold a little longer. So watch me.
In case you guys were wondering who the secret cameraman for them was a while ago, it's me. You're in capable hands of Lisa. One day I'm actually going to do a video for you guys where I'm going to try to do his hair.
Oh, you want to start tonight? It's already tangled.
You see what I should have done? Left that a secret? Like, no. I don't want to start tonight. Anyway, back to what you guys are watching.
For parting his hair, I'm not the greatest at it, but especially for the back section, because it is a tighter hair texture, closer to my hair texture, I need those sections to be a little more perfect, because they start to get a little puffy as the days go on. The curls here are closer to Dan's hair texture. I don't know 3B3. I don't know those letters and numbers. This is our hair, but he definitely has a combination of both of our hair textures in his one head. But like I said, the back, I kind of have to concentrate and do more parting on the back section, so it lasts looking neater a little longer. section, going them in. And I concentrate heavily on the ends because the ends are the more dry part of everyone's hair, I think, but him as well, especially in his back section. And because I've detangled already, it is really not much issues with combing his hair right now. Okay, so this is the back section, parted somewhat, and then I did a really thin on this bottom layer, and then on the top part I did a little bigger sections. Yeah, hopefully I could finish soon. So the front sections, I kind of do a flat twist to begin, and then I do a regular twist to go down. But I just do that in order to get it to lay down properly. final reveal of Kellan's lovely locks. Ready? Look at this. Hi. Okay, so hopefully this will last a couple days, like I said. But I leave the ends out curled. And that's pretty much it. Now he's gonna run. But I'm gonna put this on his head. I bought this off of Amazon. It is kind of tight and hair. So that is Kellan's healthy hair routine. Again, I hope you watch Dan's healthy hair routine, and maybe you'll be seeing mine soon. But again, thank you for joining another My+1 production of, again, healthy natural hair, because we are a natural family. Hey! If you like this content, please comment below and we'll do more of these videos. But like if you like, but if you really want to show some love, hit that sub and hit the bell as well. All right, guys.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time.